Hello everyone. Today we will see how to work with DAYS360 function in Excel. So let's start. So first, what is the DAYS360 function? Day360 function returns the number of days between two dates. That is a date range. Okay. But first, when Day360 function will be used? If accounting system of any organization follows 360 days in a year, then we can use this. Traditionally in January we know there are 31 days in a year, but any organization who uses this function will think that in January there are only 30 days. Not only in January, in every month there will be 30 days. So 30 into 12 will be 360. That's why it is given Days360 function. Traditionally the days are different, but in this case the days will be same in all the months. So let's work with this function first. Type Days360, double click on it. After the first bracket, give start date, then end date, then method. First of all, we will not give any method, it is optional. So I am deleting this, closing bracket. Let's calculate this column based on no method selected. Now let's do it again. Days 360, start date, end date, then method is false, US. Let's drag across. So all this cell is applied with US method. Now finally Days 360, start date, end date, and method is European method. You can select any method by double clicking on that option. So I'm dragging. Here you can see the first date range is January 1, 2020 to January 10, 2020. So here it is giving that 9 days have passed between these 2 days. So the days returned are same in all these three methods. If you select from 1 to 25, I am up to this, I have up to this, I have selected the same month. I am calculating within the same month. So if you select January 1, 2020 to January 25, even in that case the result is same. If you select January 1 to January 30, even in that case the result is same. That is, from first date to 30 date on any month, the result will be same in all these methods. But if any date becomes 31, in that case no method and US method gives the same result. That is, it will count 30 from January 1, 2020 to January 31, 2020. 30 days have passed, so it will return 30. But European method, it will not only consider 31, it will not consider even 30, it will give you 29. Just look at this. If the date is 30, even in that case all the results are similar. But when the the result is 31, then no method and US method gives the same result, but in European method it it is 1 day less than the two methods. If I select January 1, 2020 to February 3, in that case it will give the same result, because here you can see the month crossed to another month. So in even in that case it will show the same result. But again, if you consider this, from January 1, 2020 to March 31, 2020, so in no method, here it will consider the full month, full January, full February, and full March, that is 30 days for every month is equal to 90. In US method it is 90, but in European method, just look, there are 31 days in January, but January is not the ending here. The ending is March 31. So March 31 will not be included here. March 30 will not be even included. So March 29 is the maximum. So a total complete January is 30, February is completely 30, 30, 30, 60, and for March it is 29. That is 60 plus 29 is equal to 89. So if it remains within the same month, then you in European method it gives 29. But it uh, goes beyond some months, then the only the last month at 31 will be considered as 29, and the previous 2 months will be considered 30 days age. So this is the difference between all these methods. I hope it's clear to you. That's all for today. Thank you very much.